Hi everybody, welcome back to another phonics session. Today is Wednesday, so you've already done phonics on Monday, phonics on Tuesday, and today it's Wednesday. Now we've had some challenges in our phonics, haven't we, this week? So I'm wondering if you are ready for another one. Okay, let's click this off, and then I need to go to slideshow. Okay, can you see it's W for Wednesday? Right. Okay, you can pause the screen and you can have a go at warming your fingers up and writing down as many letters as you can. Try and challenge yourself. If you're only going to write 5 letters, make them some really tricky letters. Okay, press pause now. Well done, everyone. Can you show me what you've done? Oh, they're gorgeous. Well done. I love how you stayed on the line and done your flicks before you started. We don't want to add the flicks on afterwards, do we? We don't do that. Well done. Okay, let's sing. We'll get our voices warmed up. Now, I think yesterday I was singing along really loudly by myself. Can I have some extra help from you today? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Fabulous. Right, we're ready to do our sounds 2 times. And really quickly, let's go. Did that? Oh, hang on. I need to take this off. We don't want timings to be used because it goes too fast for me. Let's get on here. Now, you may have noticed I've mixed the letters up because we love a challenge, so don't get confused. T, t, I, I, g, g, k, d, o, k, 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 f, s, s, b, b, f, j, j, v, v, z, z, w, w, x, x, y, y, z, z. Oh, did you keep up then? That was really fast. Okay, let's do our actions and say a word that matches. Qu, qu, as in queen. Qu, qu, as in queen. Ch, ch, as in chicken. Ch, ch, as in chicken. Sh, sh, as in shoe. Sh, sh, as in shoe. As in ring. As in ring. V and th, stick your tongue out. V and th, as in thumb. Again, get that tongue out. V and th, v and th, as in thumb. A, as in rain. A, as in rain. E, as in leak. Again, E, as in leak. Join in with this one. I, as in night. I, as in night. O, as in goat. O, as in goat. As in book. As in book. Ooh, as in moon. Ooh, as in moon. Ah, as in card. Ah, as in card. Can you remember this one? Or, as in fork. Again. Or, as in fork. Well done. We're nearly there. Okay, this was yesterday's. Can you remember? Well done. As in burger. As in burger. Fantastic. Let's get that drum roll. Last sound of the week. Okay, the new sound for today is, oh, I love this one. It's another digraph. We've got two letters that make one sound. I can see an O and a W. Together, they make ow, ow. So you are going to, you can't see my knee, I'm touching my knee and then saying ow. I'll do it on my hand like this. Ow, ow. Touch your knee and look like it hurts and say ow, ow. Fantastic. And what we say is ow, as in cow. Join in with me. Ow, as in cow. Fantastic. Okay, I think we are ready to move on to our tricky word. All right, we need to learn them off by heart. I think you're doing really well with them. So we said them twice on Monday, we sang them yesterday. Today, let's have a challenge. I want you to say them before I do. Okay, you ready for that? So you must join in. I might do some actions to help you, but I want you to look at that very first sound. The initial sound in the word will give you a clue. Okay. Go. I. No. You're doing really well. The. I do this because it's sign language. Two. Well done. Into. Look at the first sound. He. She. We. I can't believe how well you're doing. Me. Be. You. Are. Whoa, can't believe it. Okay. Our new tricky word of the week is, can you remember? I don't like that this isn't very tall here. It needs a higher ladder, doesn't it? It looks like a So can you remember? We point to a girl and we say her. Well done. Okay, it's that time for reading again. You need your arm out. You might want to go cooey to get it out. All right, let's read this. Gosh, I'm spinning on my chair. I can't keep it still. Ooh, I love words that have more than one digraph in. So let's do it together. We've got t. It's hard when they're all joined up. Can you read what that is? or. And this digraph, ch. Let's do it twice. T, or, ch, t, orch. Poof. Torch, well done. Another word with 2 digraphs in. They're just so amazing. I love them. Right. What's this one here? Shh. Okay, what's this digraph here? E. And the last sound. Let's sound it out. Sh, E, p. Sh, E, p. Poof. It's sheep. Well done. Okay, let's say this one. We've got a s, o, k. Again, s, o, k, s, o, k. Poof. It's a sock. Well done. Oh, let's read this. S, a, d. S, a, d. S, a, d. 1, 2, 3. Poof. Oh, so sad. Okay. Let's sound this one out. P, a, n. P, a, n. P, a, n. Poof. It's pan. Experts. All right. Nearly there. M, a, t. M, a, t. M, a, t. Poof. Mat. Well done. Okay, it's time to get your pencils and paper ready. Okay, I love this. We are going to do some ow, ow, ow words. Ow as in cow. Right. Ooh, this arrow's going this way. What word could it be with the ow sound? Yes, well done. It's down. Down. Right, Mrs. Sharp, you did very well yesterday with the pen. Let's change colour. Oh, this purple looks nice. Right, down. Let's sound it out together. D, ow, n. I can't hear you joining in. D, ow, n. D, ow, n. Down. Thanks so much. Right, the D. It's quite a tricky one to write, isn't it? We're going to start on the line. Walking, running, flying to the side. Round. Up, 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 up. Down and flick. D. Okay, the middle sound is ow, ow. Can you remember how to do that? It's an O and a W. Let's do the O. Walking, running, flying to the side. Round, up and flick. And now we need the W. Walking, running, flying. Down, up and flick. What's the last sound? Down. Down. Good listening. It's the n. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, over and flick. Down. Fantastic. Down. She went down in the lift. Down. Right, we need to clear this. I think I need to press this red button and let's go to the next one. Ooh, beautiful. What animal is this? Of course, it's an owl. Owl. Let's sound it out. Owl. 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 Right. Can you remember those 2 letters in our digraph? Ow. Ow. Yeah, it's an O and a W. walking, running, flying to the side, round, up, and flick. And now the W, walking, running, flying, down, up, flick. Ow, ow, What's the last sound? Well done. Walking, running, flying, down, and flick. Ow, there was an owl in the tree. Beautiful. Right, let's clear. We'll press. Definitely got the hang of it now, haven't I? Here we go, get the pen back. Ooh, this is a very busy town. Town. Let's sound out town. T, ow, t, ow, town. What does town begin with? Yeah, t. Walking, running, flying, down and flick, and a line across the tummy. Make sure your t is nice and tall. Middle sound, t. Ow, as in cow. What 2 letters do we need? An O and a W. Well done. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, up, and flick. W. Walking, running, flying, down, up, and flick. Ow. Well done. You're really getting good at hearing those sounds. Walking, running, flying, down, up, over, and flick. Ow. I went to town to buy a present. Town. Okay. What do I need to press? There we go. Oh, okay, we have a challenge now. This is a really tricky word to spell. It's a towel, but when we spell it, we say towel. Towel. So, ow, l, ow, l, towel. Towel. Okay. What sound do we need first? T. The easy bit, isn't it? So walking, running, flying, down and flick, and a line across the tummy. What is that next sound? T. Ow. Can you remember how to do it? O and a W. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, up, and flick, and a W. Walking, running, flying, down, up, and flick. So we've got tow, L, L. Whoa, look at us writing such long words up the hill and over the hill. And walking, running, flying, down and flick. Towel. Well done. That was super. We love a challenge at the end, don't we? Right, here's a sentence for you. She went to town with Jack. Here she is. She went to town with Jack. She went to town with Jack. 6 words need to go in our sentence. Now, you can either press pause and do it by yourself, or we can do it together. Okay, let's get the pen. She. Now it's the beginning of a sentence, so we need a capital letter. Okay, I'm going to do a nice big, so I'm going to bring it down to the line. Right, can you remember how we spell she? There's 3 letters. Sh. So we need a and over. And can you remember the last letter in she? Yeah, it's an F. So she. The good news in our sentence writing today is the writing isn't going to disappear. So now I need a finger space. She went. Let's spell went. W-E-N-T. W-E-N-T. 4 letters. So have you got your finger space? W. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, flick. W. E. Up the hill and over the hill. W. E. N. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, over and flick. W. E. N. T. Walking, running, flying, nice and tall. Down, flick, and a line across the tummy. She went to. Tricky word, to. There's only 2 letters in this word, so do a finger space. Can you remember to? It definitely begins with a T. Walking, running, flying. Down and flick, and a line across the tummy. And now what's the last letter? Yeah, it's just an O. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, up and flick. She went to town. This has our ow sound in. Let's sound it out. T, ow, ow, T. Do your finger space. Can you hear my dog shaking? Walking, running, flying. Down and flick, and a line across the tummy. So t, ow. So loud. Ow. O and a w. Walking, running, flying to the side. Round, up, flick, and a w. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, and flick. Nearly there. Last sound in town. T, ow, Well done. Walking, running, flying. Down, up, over and flick. She went to town with w, I, th, w, I, th, w. Okay, I can't fit it on here, so I'm going on to my next line. If you've got space, do it here with a finger space, but if you need to go on to the next line too, then we don't need a finger space. With, w, down, up, flick, I. Experts at this one. Walking, running, flying, down and flick, don't forget the dot. With, what diagraph do we need? With, yeah, as in thumb. T and her. Nice and tall, walking, running, flying, down and flick, and a line across the tummy, and a walking, running, flying, down, up, over and flick. She went to town with Jack. Okay. Gosh, can you hear Rufus? It won't stop. It's going mental upstairs. Right, with Jack. Finger space is making me lose concentration. We need a capital J because it's Jack's name. So we go straight across, down to the line, and curl it round. J. How do we spell Jack? J-A-K. J-A-K. We need an A. Walking, running, flying to the side, round, up, down and flick. Now, J-A-K. Curly, kicking, or both? What do you think? Ah, someone just said it. Yes, we need both. Okay, we need a curly and a kicking. Walking, running, flying to the side and round. J-A-K. and a kicking cat. Walking, running, flying nice and tall. Down, up a bit, round and flick. Let's just check. She went to town with Jack. We've got our capital letter and we've got our finger spaces. What an Oh, sorry. What have I forgotten? Thank you. A full stop. We need a nice small one. Just there. Can you see it? That's big enough. We definitely don't want to see them like this. That's far too big. We want a little dot like that. She went to town with Jack. Hold it up for me. Wow, can't believe it. I cannot believe how fabulous you are. Okay. Let's get onto here. So you've worked so hard in phonics today. I'm really proud. Right, you can go onto Geraldine. You type in Geraldine the giraffe. Ow. Can you remember what 2 letters we need? An O and a W. So if you want to watch Geraldine, check that out. And here we are if you want to check out some of our favourites. There's lots more that you can explore, alpha blocks as well. So have a lovely day, reception. You've worked so hard. Let's just do a double thumbs up. And can I hear you say, I am amazing? Let's do it after 3. 1, 2, 3. I am amazing. Say it louder. I am amazing. And last time really loud. I am amazing. Well done. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a big wave and say well done and see you tomorrow.